Hey guys, today we're going to remote control life hack. Now this is a remote that I got for my TV, or you can use something else. Sometimes the aluminum foil metal doesn't work because the battery does not touch into this other battery. So this is my life hack. Check this out. You put aluminum foil in, and you put it in, it works. You see that? It works. So, this life hack, you can test it out on the remote control. You do not need to buy one more battery. You can save on your batteries. Thanks everybody. Please subscribe.